I'm going to do something that I have never done on this channel before. And that thing is that I'm going to pretend like I don't know how to sing. And I'm going to do exactly what I do with my students, help them find their voice. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, you're going to watch how I do it. And I'm going to practicalize it on myself. All right. If you've ever been struggling with finding your voice, understanding how your voice feels like, then you need to stay to the end of this video. Because in this video, I'll show you what I do with my students to help them find their voice. First things first, for you to find your voice, you need to understand the different organs that make up your voice. So for instance, I start with, I don't know how to sing, my voice is dry, my voice has no bass. In short, when you play the piano to support my voice, it's so uninteresting. What could be the problem? It's because I don't understand the organs that make my voice to actually sound good. So let's see. I just wanna say Baba oh, Eshe. I just wanna say Baba oh, Eshe. Okay, so this is just a regular singer singing. I just want to say Baba oh. Now, how am I going to make my voice interesting? I need to understand that these various organs have different placements. For example, your larynx needs to be neutral for this kind of song. It shouldn't be low and it shouldn't be high or else to be pressed. It should be neutral. What is the larynx? It's found here behind your Adam's apple. Just place your hand here. Hum. You will feel it. Now it needs to come down or be neutral here. And to do that, you would place your mouth horizontal. As then hum. You will feel it here now. And then sing from there. I just wanna say, Baba oh, Eshe. I just wanna say, Baba oh, Eshe. Oh my God! See, oh, that's not all. You see, this is just a tip of the iceberg to start with, okay? You still have more to do because at this point now, the person has a more rounded voice, good placement for the voice. So from your first class, you should be singing very well. You should be finding a bit of your voice. So you see my voice now, at least is getting shape right now, okay? So still stick with me because I'm going to review so many things in this video. Then the next thing I would do to my students, I would show you how to use your jaw properly. So your jaw should not be moving at every change of a Baba oh, Eshe. Some people will do. So now, like, I'm not a good singer. I do Eshe. So what I do is Eshe. Don't move your jaw at every change of note. If you can place your jaw and just sing. Placing your jaw means that it doesn't move from here. You open it up, leave it there. I just wanna say, Baba oh, Eshe. Oh my God, 10 minutes is not yet over. Oh, my voice is coming out. Are you hearing that? How about you? Are you doing it are you also doing it along with me? You need to be doing it along with me, so you'll be seeing the changes. And as you're seeing the changes, I want you to be commenting. Just be typing. Let's have it as an interactive something. Be typing to me, telling me how and what you're noticing at every stage of this hour. Finding your voice. Okay, now we've placed it rightly. The next thing I will put you through is how to use your organs. We have your eyes, your face. How do you use it? Place your eyes. Sink through your eyes as if it's coming from your eyes. I just wanna say, Baba oh, Hashem. I just wanna say, Baba, oh, shame. You see the passion? You see the passion? Oh! Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it with me? Okay. Now, there's another beautiful organ that you really need to tame. Most times, when singers come and their voice is so uninteresting, I help them to tame this organ, and that organ is your tongue. Once you can tame your tongue, bring it out, strengthen it, take it back in. Uh, you can use a pencil to tame this tongue, or use something like this. All you need to do is to roll it and tuck in the tongue. I just want to say, Baba, say, and try your best to sing something that people will understand. Baba, say. Do it like 2 times until it makes sense. I just want to say, Baba, say. I just want to say, now let me try it with all the other things we've been working on. The neutral larynx, singing through the eye, and then the jaw. I just wanna say, Baba, oh, I just wanna say, Baba, oh, oh my God! If you are doing this with me, you should be seeing changes and shouting by now. If you are feeling it, be typing it on the comment. It's not fair that you come here, you watch videos, you learn, and you don't comment, like you don't tell me how far it's going. So I'll be happy and keep sharing this kind of content. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, support our ministry, okay? Now that you have worked on these various organs, you also need to know how to breathe properly so that your true voice can actually flow from inside. Some of you, when you want to breathe, you raise your hair, your shoulders. That's not breathing deeply. Breathing deeply means you come in, feel it. It should be like this. This is breathing deeply, and then breathe out. That is engaging your core. I have a very beautiful tool that can help you to do your breath control. And that tool is the melodica. Once you use this melodica, it's going to engage this. Okay? You can get it, it's very, very affordable. We also sell it at our school, with Studio Media. You can order for one. If you want, you can get it anywhere you are in the world. It's so affordable. It's a very affordable instrument. So for me to play this, I have to engage my singing. I have to engage this whole region. I just wanna say, Baba, you see, I remembered all the other techniques of having. So, with all these tricks that I have shown you, have you not found your voice? Have you not found the uniqueness that your voice possesses? I was able to help you find your voice in just 10 minutes. Now imagine what will happen when you work with us in our Find Your Voice program, and then you learn how to sing effectively with the unique voice that God has given to you, because we're going to guide you step by step until you find that unique voice. You must find your voice in that program. All of our students always find their voice once they are attentive to the class and do every single thing that you are directed to do. You must find your voice. You can watch the playlist whereby I have a lot of videos that's going to guide you to sing effectively, to find the unique voice that God has given you to sing with. So now, do not just stop here. Watch this next video and learn more about your voice.